this lesson, I'm going to show you how to add currency pairs, also known as Forex, to your watch list on your TradingView. Now stay tuned because in the next video, I will show you how to add them to your MetaTrader on your mobile phone. But first and foremost, you need to identify a currency group which you want to add. In this example, I'm just going to use the Australian dollar. So I've named my watch list example. I will click the plus icon on the right-hand side. And then all I'm going to do is type in Aussie CAD, and I'm going to use FXCM as my broker, press plus, and you'll see that the pair is highlighted on my watch list. Now, this allows me to add all the rest of them. Again, I've just done that. Swiss franc, press plus, AUD JPY, press plus, AUD New Zealand, plus, AUD dollar, plus. And then I can close this, and you can see I've successfully identified and brought all the Australian dollar pairs that I will be interested in trading. And then I'll do the exact same thing for the Canadian dollar, US dollar, GBP, etc., etc. So that's how you add all the pairs to your watch list. Now keep watching to show you how to do it on your FT4 platform.